Meet Sam. Sam has been staring at this computer screen for hours. The work is piling up, and the brain is starting to feel a bit foggy. Do you ever feel like you're running in circles? When your focus fades, pushing harder isn't the answer. You're just hitting a mental wall. Step 1. Stand up. It's time to move. A simple stretch can wake up your muscles and get your blood flowing again. Reach for the sky. Step 2. Hydrate and reset. Check the clock. Just 5 minutes away from the screen is enough to reboot your creative gears. Look at that! Sam is back in the chair and feeling sharp. With a clear head, those difficult tasks suddenly seem a whole lot easier. Don't wait until you're burnt out. Take a break today. Your mind and your work will thank you. Like and subscribe for more tips.